day 3 and we are so excited. We are in ROATAN, Honduras, and we are going to ride horses. Yes, yes, yes. I got off the ship and this is what my hair looks like. Did you see what it looked like just 10 minutes ago? Look at this hair. Her hair looks good. Ciao. Alright everyone, I still forgot bug spray, so I had to get it in at the port off the ship. It was $12, so don't forget things like bug spray and sunscreen because it's very expensive on the ship and right off the ship.
Neil Johnson.
So you there riding horses?
Yeah, horseback riding.
You can follow me right here.
Okay.
You can stand a little bit. I just want to make sure these people sleep, please.
Okay.
And until we can leave.
Okay.
You can stay with them.
Okay. All right. Thank you. We're just waiting for our...
Okay. Excuse me, guys. You see that lady?
It's a little bit of chaos, but it's okay. There's this kid that's helping everyone. It's very nice. Oh.
Huh?
Alright, so we're in the car and we're headed to the horses. I got to talk to the guy on the phone. He said the horses are ready, so we're excited about it. It's a
So,
private tour.
when we finish with the riding horses,
Yeah.
he told me to take you to the West Bay Beach, to the West End, where to do the snorkeling
Okay.
in the boat.
Okay. How are you doing?
Good.
Are you excited?
Yes.
What are you excited about?
Mostly riding horses.
Alright, it looks like we've made it.
What is that? You got it?
Got it.
Okay.
The horses are here. There they are.
Yes. Ariel, did you have a good time? Yes.
Do you like it?
Yeah, that was fun. Yes. Although it makes your legs hurt.
This is a good exercise.
Yeah, it is good exercise.
All right, so we had a great time on the horses. That was so much fun. And now we're gonna snorkel. So he's brought us to the beach, to the West End beach in ROATAN. And we're going to get on a boat, and then they're gonna take us out, and then we're gonna get to snorkel. We're paying $15 each for each of us, and I didn't book this ahead of time, so I am gonna have to get cash for them. But how easy is that? Just 30 bucks, and we're gonna get to snorkel. Had a great time horseback riding and snorkeling. Hello everyone. We went to go see one of the shows, Burn the Floor, which was really good. So I'll insert a little sneak peek right here. Wasn't that really good? Now we're going to bed because I'm exhausted. Tomorrow we will be in Belize. We are going to do a barrier reef snorkel. If you're enjoying our videos, go ahead and give us a like. Leave some comments below, any questions that you have about cruising, questions that you have about us, any types of questions. Just leave the comments below. You know where the comment section is. Don't forget to subscribe.
And remember to hit the bell.
Oh, she said hit the bell, so you have to hit the bell also. All right, bye. See my hair.
Hello. Goodbye. Hello. Goodbye.
Ow, my legs are stuck.
If you had still an hour more, you maybe could have get off.
Ah, ow. I tried to put my hair back because it's so frizzy. Is that your favorite ice cream?
Yeah.
What flavor is it?
Lemon.
Objection, I don't want to be the exception to get a bit of your attention. Objection, I'm tired